So here's my Kia Sorento. Door handle is the actuator on the inside is broken. It will not open from the outside, which is a shame. Now the kids tried to fix it, and the first thing they thought of was to try to activate the child safety latch, which kind of makes sense because it is a button located in that same area, which is right here. And so that is actually just about parallel with the top of this armrest here. That one I got free using a screw. Screw and those attached screws that I ended up filing down and making a little tool. It was stupid, and I ended up messing up all my stuffing, or whatever this stuff's called, this plasticky stuff. So I'm not going to do that again. I discovered a method, though, for opening this from the inside, and I've seen other people do it. I've seen other people do it with they have some cool equipment, and I thought, you know what? Wouldn't it be nice if there was some way to get in there? I thought of spring steel. I've seen some people use all sorts of I don't know, they're like little pieces of plastic and stuff. But I thought of a really surefire method that I thought, this is not a Lucerne Parmesan cheese ad. This is actual container of Parmesan cheese that I cut out with a knife, kitchen knife, and everyone's got a little plastic container like this lying around. So if this ever happens to you, this is how to get in there. And the nice thing about it is it's super wide. It's super wide, and since it's wide, it gets in there. It does a good job. So I'm gonna just jam it in there. It doesn't want to open. It's okay. I think this is gonna work. A lot of the stuff I tried was just not really the right, wasn't really working very well. It wouldn't fit in there, or the metal got oh, let's see. That's a go. So it's right about at the top of the armrest here. That's what I'm trying to hit. I feel like I'm touching it. This worked a minute ago. Actually opened it. Do it again. It's like, this is so easy. I'm gonna make a YouTube video of it. I'm gonna be a YouTube star. That's what I get for trying to be famous. Oh man, pain in the ass. This is going to be a heavily edited video. Oh yeah, you hear that? Let's see. Hallelujah. Child safety disabled.